Hi everyone, this is Malvika from AIV. In today's video, I will be giving the demo of how can we create parameter, apply that parameter on a data set and create visualization from that data set. So let's get started. For creating a parameter, we'll go to the hamburger menu. In the hamburger menu, we'll go to master data, and in master data, we'll go to parameters. In parameters, I'll be clicking on the option create in the footer menu. Now here I'll give a particular name to the parameter, like here I am giving it name of country. Now prompt text basically enables us to get more information about the parameter that we are creating. So basically we'll know that what action needs to be done with the particular parameter. Now data type we'll keep here as string. You can select other data types as well. Here I am keeping it string. Format is as custom. Display type, I'll be selecting multi-select here. You can select other options as well. Now default value, if I click on the hidden, it will hide the parameter. Now if I click on required, in case I click on the required checkbox, the user input will be needed. And if I click on dynamic, now dynamic will allow us to select the column from an existing data set. Like here I have clicked required and now I'll click dynamic. You'll see that once I click dynamic, we got these options. Dataset, I'll be selecting sales.cds here. And display text, I'll be keeping as country. Now you can see that the value also is country. If you want, you can make changes to the value over here. Like you can select any other value also among these options. Here I'll be keeping it country and click on submit. And you'll see that we have successfully created the parameter like this. Now we'll see how can we apply this parameter on the data set. For that we'll again go to the hamburger menu. We'll go to master data. In master data we'll go to data sets. And we'll click on create dataset option in the footer menu. We'll give this data set a particular name, like here I'm giving it the name of customers. I'll select one of the source. Now here I'll expand these tables and we'll select among these tables. I'll just simply drag and drop one of the tables, like here I'm dragging and dropping customers. I'll select all the columns over here and click on submit. And you'll see that a query has appeared. Now we'll have to make a small change to the query, and this will allow us to input the parameter before the execution of the report. So here I am typing the query, basically making a small change. And once I do this, I'll click on add parameter. So here we'll add the parameter that we have already created, and in linked parameter we'll select the parameter and click on submit. Here we'll click on this drop down and we'll select the parameter and we'll click on use parameter. Now you'll see once I click on use parameter, this country with the curly brackets appears in the query. So I'll just close it with an open and close bracket. So now we'll go to parameter over here and you'll see that the parameter has been applied on the data set. Now we'll go to output columns and you'll see that the output columns have appeared here. And now we'll go to preview. In preview you can select the country whose data you would like to view, like I am selecting USA, and I'll click on submit. And you'll see that you can get the preview of the country which you just now selected, that is USA. Same way you can choose the data for other country as well, like if you click on preview and instead of USA now you'll click on Germany and click on submit, you'll see that now the data for Germany has appeared over here. So now you can click on submit. So you've seen that how we have applied the parameter on the data set. Now we'll see how can we create a visualization from this data set on which we have applied the parameter. For that we'll go again to the hamburger menu. In the hamburger menu we'll go to dashboard. We'll click on the plus icon. We'll create a new dashboard, giving it a suitable name, like here I'm giving it yearly sales data, and click on create and you'll be redirected to the dashboard. and I'll be clicking on the table in the widget panel. Now here dataset, I'll be selecting the sales.ds since we have to create the visualization of the dataset, so it will be sales.ds. And country, I'll select whose data I would like to view, so I'm selecting USA and I'll click on submit. And once I do this, I'll select all the dataset columns here and I'll click on save and exit. Now you'll see that since we had selected USA, the data of USA is appearing in the table like this. Now if in case you want to see the data for some other country, you can again go to the edit option of the widget, and here you have a parameter option over here along with the data sets. You can click on this parameter, and instead of USA you can click Germany and click on submit and click on all the columns, dataset columns, and do save and exit. And now you'll see that the data of Germany has appeared since we have selected Germany. Same way you can see data for other countries as well. So this is how we can create a parameter, apply the parameter on the data set, and create visualization out of that data set. I hope you liked my today's video. If you liked it, please like, share, subscribe and comment in the section below. If you have any specific queries, mail us at support@aivhub.com, or you can also visit our website, that is www.aivhub.com. Thank you.